2 friends. 1 table. 1 ordinary cup. Emma is certain that Sarah drank from a bright red mug during their afternoon at the cafe. Sarah remembers the mug as brown. Both memories feel clear. Both cannot describe the same detail correctly. Instead of arguing, they check what was recorded. Sarah opens a video from that afternoon on her tablet while Emma searches her phone. The camera shows 2 brown ceramic cups. Emma is surprised, because the red mug still appears vividly in her mind. She is not pretending, and she is not trying to deceive Sarah. Memory feels like playback, but remembering is an act of reconstruction. The hippocampus helps retrieve pieces of an experience. Other brain systems contribute sights, sounds, emotions, and meaning. Each time we remember, those pieces are assembled into a scene. The result can feel complete even when one detail came from somewhere else. The brain also has to track the source of every detail. Did Emma see the red mug? Did Sarah mention one later? Did Emma infer it from Sarah's red jacket? Usually those sources remain separate. Sometimes a detail that was heard later, imagined, or inferred becomes attached to the original event. Psychologists call this kind of mistake a source monitoring error. Research on the misinformation effect demonstrates another route to memory distortion. After people witness an event, later wording can influence what they report remembering. A question that casually mentions a red cup may introduce information that was never present. At the next recall, that suggested detail can feel familiar enough to be mistaken for something actually seen. None of this means that every memory is false. Emma correctly remembers the cafe, the conversation, and how she felt with her friend. Emotion can make an experience vivid, but vividness does not verify every color, date, or position. Confidence tells us how certain a person feels. It does not, by itself, identify where each detail came from. Brain imaging helps researchers study systems involved in remembering, but a scan cannot reveal whether this particular cup was red or brown. That question is answered by comparing recollection with independent evidence. Reconsolidation may help explain some forms of memory updating, but scientists still debate when and how strongly it operates in human memory. Emma's memory was not an invented afternoon. It was a real event containing one misplaced detail. The red color may have come from Sarah's jacket, another conversation, or a later suggestion. The mind joined it to the cup because it made a coherent story. Subscribe to Unseen and Explained, and the next time a memory feels certain, ask one more question: where did each detail come from? Stay curious.